Hello YouTube, Dano here. Just show you this set that I had. I've had this for a long time actually. It's one of those pass-through sets from Old Ratchet. 26 piece. Made in Taiwan. And it's Summit Tools. Denver, Texas. Who imports it. Limited lifetime warranty. If they still exist, who knows? I'm not sure what the yelling's from. It comes off. I don't know if it's overspray. Could be overspray. I did loan it out one time. Tools seem to be clean, but the whole tray seems to be all messed up. Pass-through ratchet. Not bad sounding ratchet. Relatively easy to flip from one to the other, one direction to the other. It's supposed to have a 1/4 inch bit, but for some reason it's got 2 3/8 bits. But I've got another adapter for something else I could use. So it goes from 5/16 up to 13/16. In metric, it goes from 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, and all the way up to 19 through 21. Pretty good set. I've used it a few times. Not something I really go to, not a go-to item, but it just has its times when it's handy if you're on a lug stud or something. Especially if you don't have a deep socket with you, it will come in handy. But as long as the bolt's not as big as that. Again, it has its limitations. Oh no, nice set though. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dano out.